with over 30 years of experience working with farms and processing plants. Integra recognizes the specific water and chemical challenges faced by pig farmers. Twin oxide water disinfection. Twin oxide is a specialized water treatment that is effective against pathogens and viruses, and highly effective against biofilm. Integra offer water quality testing and monitoring for drinking, process, and discharge water to ensure full compliance and optimize treatment processes. Integra's water treatment and hygiene solutions elevate your biosecurity, boosting animal health. Integra offer custom-designed water treatment and wastewater management systems based on your specific needs and regulations. We offer ongoing support and maintenance services to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your water treatment services. Speak to us today to find out how Integra can revolutionize your business.